Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few questions people have been asking me, and well, the first question is, why did I change my name to Uniforms Expert instead of World War II Uniforms Expert? It's because I kind of finished the World War II uniforms that I wanted to do. Basically, I wanted to do Waffen SS with my buddies, and then also World War II MP reenacting. But I'm also going to expand to the Korean War and Vietnam War. I'm getting ready for those impressions too. There are also going to be MPs, U.S. MPs as well, because I got into military police a lot. And yeah, I'm also going to be showing you some new stuff that I have not shown yet, but I've had for a while because I haven't gotten a chance to show everybody. We had a massive incident, so I had to take a break for a while. So yeah. So first thing is, well, two things actually. So we got the Bakelite canteen, which I might have shown, and then we also got the new canteen strap. Inside my back bag, we've got actually quite a few things. First, we got my gloves. Got my socks as well. Oh no, it's not in here? Oh wait, no, it is in here. Thank God. Finally, I've gotten a spork. I got this at WW2 Ohio as well. It was actually pretty cheap. It was only like $5. So I was actually kind of surprised. Usually these go for like, this is actually an at the front one too as well. So these usually go for like $10 to $12, and I got it for $5, so which was kind of neat. And it's got all the markings on it, and fork does go all the way back. It's kind of hard to do it. Boom. And yeah, I'll keep that in my breath bag, or I'll keep it in my pocket. But when I'm in like combat, I would probably not keep this in my pocket because if it would take a hit, I don't want this jabbing into my abdomen. So yeah. Another new thing I got was, I don't know if it's right here actually. Well, I did get some new stuff for my American impression. Some like new gear for my MP impression. So, which I got a holster to carry my M1911, A1 version. This is an airsoft version. You can tell by the red tip, and the CO2 cartridge in the magazine. Usually I'll keep this in here, but it's kind of my new background, I guess you can say. It's not that much, but I'm still experimenting on it, but you know, seeing if there's any new ideas or something like that. Another new thing I got was the 45 magazine pouch, the pistol belt, and the canteen, but I got this at WW2 Ohio. I ordered all this stuff except for the this is a original 1944 first aid kit. And yeah, that's really it for my American gear. Because I'm only an MP. I'm a yellow stripe MP, which I've probably explained before. But yeah, I'm still doing YouTube. I know it's been a long time, and I'm sorry about that. But I will be posting more in the future. But yeah, that's kind of like a quick update. I'll be showing you like some of my new American stuff that I'm getting, like Vietnam and Korean War. But yeah, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. See you guys next time.